Welcome and thank you for watching. In this video, you are about to learn all about the keto diet. The ketogenic diet, commonly known as the keto diet, is a low-carb, high-fat diet that aims to put the body into a state of ketosis. Ketosis is a metabolic process where the body burns fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates, which is its usual source of energy. This process occurs when the body doesn't have enough carbohydrates to burn for energy, and instead, it turns to fat reserves in the body to produce ketones for fuel. The keto diet is composed of high-fat foods such as meat, fish, dairy, nuts, and oils, moderate protein, and very low carbohydrates. In a typical keto diet, carbohydrates are limited to 20 to 50 grams per day, which is about 5 to 10% of total daily calories. The benefits of a keto diet are primarily related to weight loss, improved blood sugar control, and increased energy levels. Since the body is burning fat for fuel, people on the keto diet tend to experience reduced hunger and cravings, leading to fewer calories consumed overall. The diet also helps regulate insulin levels, which can improve blood sugar control and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. Now, let's move on to a sample 14-day meal plan for the keto diet. Day 1. Breakfast. Scrambled eggs with bacon and avocado. Lunch. Chicken salad with olive oil and avocado dressing. Dinner. Salmon with broccoli and cauliflower rice. Day 2. Breakfast. Greek yogurt with blueberries and almond butter. Lunch. Turkey and cheese roll-ups with cucumber slices. Dinner. Grilled steak with asparagus and mushrooms. Day 3. Breakfast. Keto pancakes with butter and sugar-free syrup. Lunch. Tuna salad with olive oil and mixed greens. Dinner. Pork chops with zucchini noodles. Day 4. Breakfast. Cream cheese and smoked salmon on a low-carb wrap. Lunch. Chicken and vegetable stir-fry with coconut oil. Dinner. Grilled chicken with green beans and roasted almonds. Day 5. Breakfast. Bacon and cheese omelet. Lunch. Keto-friendly pizza with cauliflower crust. Dinner. Beef and vegetable stir-fry with sesame oil. Day 6. Breakfast. Chia pudding with almond milk and berries. Lunch. Egg salad with mixed greens and olive oil dressing. Dinner. Baked salmon with asparagus and hollandaise sauce. Day 7. Breakfast. Keto smoothie with avocado, spinach, and coconut milk. Lunch. Grilled chicken with mixed greens and balsamic vinaigrette. Dinner. Zucchini lasagna with ground beef and cheese. Day 8. Breakfast. Low-carb breakfast burrito with sausage and cheese. Lunch. Chicken and broccoli casserole with cream cheese and cheddar. Dinner. Grilled shrimp with roasted Brussels sprouts. Day 9. Breakfast. Bacon and egg muffins with spinach and cheese. Lunch. Tuna salad with mixed greens and ranch dressing. Dinner. Grilled chicken with kale and spinach sautéed in garlic and butter. Day 10. Breakfast. Cream cheese pancakes with berries and whipped cream. Lunch. Turkey and cheese lettuce wraps with mayo and mustard. Dinner. Beef and broccoli stir-fry with sesame oil and ginger. Day 11. Breakfast. Keto granola with almond milk and sliced strawberries. Lunch. Cobb salad with mixed greens, bacon, and avocado. Dinner. Baked chicken with mixed vegetables and olive oil. Day 12. Breakfast. Scrambled eggs with sausage and cheese. Lunch. Shrimp and avocado salad with mixed greens and vinaigrette dressing. Dinner. Grilled steak with roasted cauliflower and butter. Day 13. Breakfast. Low-carb smoothie with spinach, coconut milk, and almond butter. Lunch. Turkey and cheese lettuce wraps with mayo and mustard. Dinner. Baked salmon with asparagus and lemon butter sauce. Day 14. Breakfast. Bacon and egg muffins with spinach and cheese. Lunch. Chicken Caesar salad with Parmesan cheese and Caesar dressing. Dinner: grilled chicken with roasted Brussels sprouts and garlic butter sauce. Remember, while the keto diet can be effective for weight loss and other health benefits, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new diet or making significant changes to your eating habits. It's also important to listen to your body and adjust your diet as needed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful resources like this. Don't forget to download your free 14-day keto meal plan.